Hello everyone, welcome to Food and Fitness here at SUMON'S kitchen. Today I'm going to cook Shahi Mutton Bhuna with Polow rice. It's very popular in the subcontinent, but it's going to be very challenging for me as I didn't do it before. Whatever it is challenge. I'll go for it. My respectable viewers from around the globe, just to let you know this, I have a large quantity of viewers from Bangladesh and also myself from Bangladesh. So I'll be using some Bengali language, some part of it definitely. So please don't get me wrong. Thank you. প্রিয় দেশি ভাই বোনেরা, বুঝতেই পারছেন এটা একটি আন্তর্জাতিক পোস্ট। সো আমাকে অধিকাংশ ক্ষেত্রেই ইংলিশ ব্যবহার করতে হবে। So now show time starts. Let me introduce what I'm going to use today. Eventually you can follow me for the processing and instructions. Thank you. Things I'm going to use all are here. One by one I'm going to introduce you. This is 2 kilo mutton, washed and dried almost. Then the spice I'm going to use, this is for the Shahi mutton, and garam masala, aloo bukhara, ginger and garlic paste, onion paste. For garnishing, I got coriander, green chilies, ginger, and spring onion as well, and also some fried onions. And for Shahi rice, I got rice already washed, basmati rice, is in the hot water, washed properly. Now let's start cooking. Thank you. Before I do anything, I have to do the mutton marinations. So what I'm gonna do, in a pot like that, pour all the mutton there, then 3-4 tablespoons of yogurt, tok doi, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, then 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now toss it around properly. ভালো করে মাখিয়ে নেই। Lovely, it is already tossed around nicely. Now it will be kept for a while. In the meantime, I start preparing other spices in the cooker. Pan is a bit hot. I pour a little bit of sunflower oil. Now I'm pouring all the whole spices like this. Wow, beautiful smells coming up. When these red chilies become dark, that means it's almost done. You can take 2 off for the garnishing and let it go with that. Now time to pour some ginger and garlic here. একটু ভালো করে নাড়িয়ে নেই। Give them a good stir. When ginger and garlic starts getting browner, then I'll pour the onion paste. Onion paste ঢেলে দিচ্ছি। Give them very good stir. I pour 1 tablespoon of salt. Lovely, all the spices getting done nicely as I'm having some smell. সুন্দর একটা ঘ্রাণ বেরিয়েছে, খুবই সুন্দর একটা ঘ্রাণ। So now time to pour all the meats in there. You see, this one was marinated for a while. এটা মাখিয়ে রাখা হয়েছিল কিছুক্ষণ। এখন সব ঢেলে দিলাম, হলুদ মরিচ সব এর মধ্যে enough আছে। I don't have to put any more spices. All in there, all gone in there. ভালো করে নাড়িয়ে নেই, কারণ এখনই ঢেকে রাখা হবে। Lovely. Now it's time to cover it up. So এখন nicely ঢেকে দিয়ে এইভাবে স্লো মিডিয়ামে জাল হতে থাকবে কিছুক্ষণ। মাংসর পানিটা বেরিয়ে আসলে পরে, মাংসটা কষে গেলে পরে আমি পানি দিব। মিডিয়াম হিটে 7-8 মিনিট কুকিং করার পরেই মাংসটা কষে আসবে, তখন আমি পানি দিতে পারবো। After 7-8 minutes of cooking, I can pour some water in it because all the spices and meat will be ready for water. So let it go like that. In the meantime, I can prepare the rice, so everything will be nice timing. So I change the burner, pass it to there, and I get pilau rice ready in there. ওই পাশে মাংস হতে থাকুক, এই পাশে আমি পিলাউ রাইস পোলাওটা রান্না করে ফেলি। পোলাওর হাঁড়ি গরম হয়ে গেছে, একটু তেল দিতে হবে এর মধ্যে। পোলাও তো তেল দিয়ে রান্না হবে। তেল গরম হয়ে গেছে, এখন আমি যেটা দিব পোলাওর যে মশলাগুলো, whole spices will be given, like a couple of bay leaves, few cinnamons, couple of star anise, few cloves, and the shahi jeera, which is very tiny ones. শাহি জিরা দেওয়া হয়েছে, লং দেওয়া হয়েছে, স্টার সিডস দেওয়া হয়েছে, দারচিনি দেওয়া হয়েছে, তেজপাতা দেওয়া হয়েছে। Give them a good stir, একটু নাড়িয়ে নেই। যখন সুন্দর একটা ঘ্রাণ পাওয়া যাবে তখন রাইসগুলো ঢালা যাবে এর মধ্যে, তার মানে স্পাইসগুলো ম্যাচিউরড হয়ে গেছে। When I get the smell of spices, that means the spices are matured, then I can pour all the rices in there. Yeah, nice smell coming up. That means it's time to pour all the rices. I already washed it and kept it in a pot. Lovely. Lovely. Water level should be about half inches above the rice level, because rice was in the water for a while. It's already soaked some water. চালের লেভেল থেকে পানির লেভেলটা about আধা ইঞ্চি উপরে থাকবে, কারণ পানিতে ভিজিয়ে রাখার কারণে অলরেডি রাইস কিছু ওয়াটার সোক করে নিয়েছে। So I have to pour some water, আমাকে একটু পানি ঢালতে হবে। Make sure half inches, not more than that, because when the water goes vanished, the rice will be done and every single grain will be separated from every single one. So ঝরঝরে পোলাও হবে। Now time to cover it up. Before I do, I forgot one thing. We have to pour 1 tablespoon of salt here and some onions. Now I'm going to cover it up and change the burner. Get my meat back. So this burner is powerful than the other one. The other one is perfect for that pulao. It will be done on time. So let's see how the meat are going. Lovely. All the water came out. Just one stir, then cover it back again. That's it. Going very good. Leave it like that until it's ready to get some water. When this water will go vanished, I'll pour more water. Give the rice for a good stir for the last time, and this is the time to put all the aloo bokharas. আলু বোখারা সব মিশিয়ে দিলাম। এখন নাইস একটা স্টার করব। যাতে ভাত লেগে না যায়। লাভলি। এখন একটা দম দেওয়ার সময় হয়েছে। এখন এটাকে কভার করতে হবে যেন কোথাও থেকে বাতাস না আটকে যায়। So put it down, lock the air. It has to be airtight and let it go for a while. About 15 minutes cooking on a slow medium heat. I think meat should be dried now. Yes, lovely. Look at this. Beautiful color. All the oils are separated from the spices. Now this is time to pour some water for the last time. Completely, because meat are not done yet. So just over a half a liter of water, and it will go back to that point again. Then the bhuna will be ready. Cover it up again, same process. After 50 minutes, let's see how the meat is going on. Oh, lovely. Waters are gone almost. Oil and water are separated. So about 5-7 minutes more cooking left. So in the meantime, what I'm doing, pour some chilies for extra flavor, some baby tomatoes, and some coriander. It will give extra nice flavor. সুন্দর একটা ঘ্রাণ তৈরি করবে। It's looking nice. About 5 more minutes. All done. What about the rice? Look at the rice. Wow, on its own. Excellent. Oh, lovely. Jhurjhura pulao. So I better switch off the rice cooker and get ready for the finishing. Meat is almost done. Yes, it is time to serve now. I better take the rice off and put it in a slow cooker. I don't have the Shahi Korai, but I have the mini Korai, mini saucepan. So Shahi mutton will be served on that. Some soy sauce. Super. Do some garnishing. Lovely. Now going to dining table. You people wait for me. After doing all the hard works, my Shahi Khana is toyar. Look at this. Doesn't it look beautiful? Look at the Shahi Polow as well. Lovely. Time to try. Yummy. What a smell. Look at the rice. Ki jhorjhora. Beautiful pulao rice. Unbelievable. Where am I? In the planet or in the heaven? जोश मुकाम को खुश हो गया।